Discover the world's most amazing winter festivals. Did you know that millions of people around the world attend winter festivals each year, celebrating the magic of the season with incredible traditions and dazzling displays? From the snow-capped mountains of Japan to the medieval squares of Germany, the heart of winter beats strongest when communities come together to celebrate the beauty and wonder of the season. In this journey, we will travel across the globe exploring the most extraordinary winter festivals, each with its own unique charm and splendor. We'll witness breathtaking artistry carved from ice and snow, delve into centuries-old traditions, and experience the warmth of holiday cheer in some of the most enchanting settings imaginable. So, bundle up, grab a warm drink, and prepare to be captivated by the spirit of winter as we embark on a global adventure to discover the world's most amazing winter festivals. Our first stop takes us to the island nation of Japan, a land known for its ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes. Here in the city of Sapporo, winter brings with it a transformation of epic proportions. For 1 week in February, the Sapporo Snow Festival envelops the city in a breathtaking display of snow and ice sculptures, drawing millions of visitors from around the world. Imagine, if you will, towering structures rising from the ground, meticulously carved from massive blocks of snow. Intricate details from the scales of a mythical dragon to the delicate features of a human face are brought to life by the skilled hands of artists. These frozen masterpieces, some as tall as buildings, transform Odori Park, the heart of Sapporo, into an ethereal gallery of frozen artistry. But the Sapporo Snow Festival is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a celebration of community, a testament to human creativity, and a reminder of the ephemeral beauty of nature. Families gather to marvel at the sculptures, children slide down ice slides, and the air is filled with laughter and the scent of hot food stalls. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow on the snow, the sculptures take on a new life, illuminated by a kaleidoscope of colors. The crowds gather once more, their faces reflecting the wonder and awe inspired by these ephemeral works of art. From towering castles to whimsical characters, the sculptures of the Sapporo Snow Festival capture the imagination and leave a lasting impression on all who behold them. It's a testament to the artistry of the human spirit and a reminder of the magic that unfolds when winter's chill meets human creativity. But the Sapporo Snow Festival is just the beginning of our journey. Next, we travel to the heart of Europe, where a different kind of winter magic awaits. Join us as we step back in time and experience the charm and tradition of the Nuremberg Christmas Market. From the snow-dusted peaks of Japan, we journey westward, across continents and time zones, to the heart of Germany. Here, in the historic city of Nuremberg, the spirit of Christmas is woven into the very fabric of the city, transforming its medieval squares into a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The Nuremberg Christmas Market, or Christkindlesmarkt, as the locals call it, is a tradition that dates back centuries. Imagine, if you will, cobblestone streets illuminated by the warm glow of twinkling lights, the air thick with the scent of roasted almonds and gingerbread. Wooden stalls adorned with garlands and festive decorations offer a treasure trove of handcrafted gifts, from intricate wooden toys to delicate ornaments. As you wander through the market, the sounds of Christmas carols fill the air, sung by choirs bundled up in warm clothing. Families gather around steaming mugs of glühwein, a spiced mulled wine that warms the body and soul. Children's eyes widen in amazement at the sight of the Christmas pyramid, a towering structure adorned with carved figures and twinkling lights. The Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt is more than just a market. It's a celebration of tradition, a testament to the enduring spirit of Christmas, and a reminder of the simple joys of the season. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the past and present blend seamlessly, and where the magic of Christmas comes alive. But our journey doesn't end there. From the medieval charm of Nuremberg, we cross the Atlantic to the United States, where a dazzling display of lights awaits. Join us as we explore the magic of the Winter Festival of Lights in Rhode Island. Chapter 3. Winter Festival of Lights, a symphony of sparkle and illumination. Our journey now takes us across the Atlantic, to the shores of North America, where the spirit of winter is celebrated with a symphony of sparkle and illumination. In the heart of New England, the state of Rhode Island comes alive with the magic of the Winter Festival of Lights. Imagine, if you will, driving through a wonderland of twinkling lights, millions of them, adorning trees, buildings, and even the very landscape itself. The Winter Festival of Lights, held annually in Ogle Bay Park, is a spectacle that captures the imagination and fills the heart with childlike wonder. As you drive along the winding roads of the park, you'll encounter dazzling displays that tell stories, evoke emotions, and celebrate the beauty of the season. From whimsical snowmen and reindeer to breathtaking recreations of iconic landmarks, the illuminated sculptures transform the park into a magical wonderland. But the Winter Festival of Lights is more than just a drive-through display. It's an immersive experience that invites you to step out of your car and explore the park's many attractions. Warm up by a bonfire, sip on hot chocolate, and enjoy live entertainment that will get you in the holiday spirit. From the moment you enter the park to the time you reluctantly leave, the Winter Festival of Lights is a feast for the senses, a celebration of light and color, and a reminder of the joy and wonder that winter brings. Chapter 4. Winterlude, where frozen canals become playgrounds. From the dazzling lights of Rhode Island, we journey north to the heart of Canada, where winter is not just a season, it's a way of life. In the nation's capital, Ottawa, the Winterlude Festival transforms the city into a frosty playground, celebrating the beauty and wonder of the Canadian winter. Imagine, if you will, gliding along the frozen Rideau Canal, the world's largest naturally frozen ice skating rink, stretching for miles through the heart of the city. Families skate hand in hand, couples glide gracefully, and children zip along on sleds, their laughter echoing across the ice. But Winterlude is more than just ice skating. It's a celebration of all things winter, from snow sculptures and ice carving competitions, to live music and cultural performances. Explore the Crystal Garden, a winter wonderland of ice sculptures, or marvel at the artistry of ice carvers from around the world as they transform blocks of ice into intricate masterpieces. For the adventurous, there's the chance to try ice dragon boating, a unique Canadian sport that combines teamwork and a healthy dose of adrenaline. And for those who prefer to stay warm, there are plenty of indoor activities, from art exhibits to culinary experiences. Winterlude is a celebration of the Canadian spirit, a testament to the resilience and joy that can be found even in the depths of winter. It's a reminder that winter is not something to be endured, but embraced, a time for families and friends to come together and celebrate the magic of the season. Chapter 5. Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, a world of fantasy carved in ice. Our final destination takes us back to Asia, to the northernmost province of China, where winter reigns supreme. Here, in the city of Harbin, the Harbin International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival pushes the boundaries of artistry and imagination, transforming the city into a breathtaking world of fantasy carved in ice. Imagine, if you will, a city sculpted from ice, a dazzling metropolis of towering castles, intricate pagodas, and life-sized replicas of famous landmarks, all illuminated in a kaleidoscope of colors. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival is a spectacle that defies description, a testament to the boundless creativity of the human spirit. As you wander through this frozen wonderland, you'll encounter ice sculptures that seem to defy gravity, their intricate details illuminated by LED lights that create a magical glow. The scale of the festival is staggering, with over 10,000 artists from around the world working tirelessly to create this ephemeral masterpiece. But the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival is more than just a visual spectacle. It's an immersive experience that engages all the senses. Slide down ice slides that stretch for hundreds of meters, ride in horse-drawn carriages through the frozen streets, and warm up with hearty local cuisine. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival is a celebration of winter's magic, a testament to the artistry and ingenuity of the human spirit, and a reminder that even in the coldest of temperatures, beauty and wonder can be found. From the snow-dusted landscapes of Japan to the frozen canals of Canada, from the medieval squares of Germany to the illuminated parks of the United States, and finally to the ice-carved city of China, we've journeyed across the globe, exploring the magic and wonder of winter festivals. Each festival, unique in its own right, offers a glimpse into the heart of a culture, a celebration of tradition, and a reminder of the simple joys of the season. Whether it's the artistry of snow sculptures, the warmth of holiday markets, or the thrill of winter sports, there's a winter festival out there for everyone. So this winter, why not embrace the magic of the season and experience the joy of a winter festival? You might just discover a new tradition, create lasting memories, and find yourself falling in love with winter all over again. From Japan to Germany, and from the USA to China, winter festivals offer unforgettable moments filled with joy and wonder. Whether it's dazzling lights or snowy landscapes, there's a festival for everyone. Which winter festival will you add to your bucket list this year? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and share it with your friends.